Hey, Marlon, I wanted to show you quickly a solution for exporting multiple um, students onto a single data point. So, like you could use for a group. I think long term, so let me show you first how I think there's got to be another better way to do it. But what I'm going to show you is a quick hack that I could figure out in the time that I had. But long term, it would probably be better on your master sheet. And I'm going to share. I'll find your school email and share the folder with what I have on it. But if under that query, if you go over to the last part of it, and I've now put that in the video description of the original lift tracker video. But if you take your ID and then this last part where it says where column 2, and then there's probably a way to do it with contains, but change the word contains to matches, and then use this format where you have the exactly the string that's their name and exactly the string that's the next name, and you could add as many strings as you wanted to. It's the up and down key, the straight up and down key, actually with no space. And then like you go over to your master list and where's my master list? Yeah, you go over to the master list and then you would copy whatever name it is that you wanted to. And it needs to be an exact match if you're using matches. Like I said, I couldn't get it to work with contains, but you probably just have to use it different. Okay. And so now, if I hit that, it adds her as well. And so that's a little bit of an unwieldy way to do it. But if you could theoretically, I think you could just keep adding names that were all in the group, and then instead of calling it, the one student's name, it would be like the football lift record. And you can do that with any column. You just change the column number. Like if you only wanted to display results from certain lifts, you could do it that way as well. Okay, well, I hope that answers your question, and I'll throw this up here as a video response for other folks as well that are interested in a custom lift tracking app that you can make yourself using Google Docs, Google Spreadsheets, and Forms.